What's up? Hi.
Oh, jump scare.
I hope y'all can see. Hold on. I broke the mirror. I broke my mirror. So it's gone now. So now I gotta work with this mirror and I gotta do the best I can do. But bear with me. Ooh, I'm looking a little. I mean, it's early. It's not the morning. It's early in the day, and I've been up, but I washed my face and everything. But I'm just now getting out of the bed because I gotta go to the grocery store and get something to eat today. I'm one of those type of people that don't like to have a lot of stuff in my refrigerator because if I do, I will overeat. Okay, but no. First, I just braid this back part up. I need some better lighting, I'm sure. I just decided to do my wig with you guys, around you guys. I don't know how to say that. I don't know what that means. Oh, and I customized this wig on my own. It was first very long. And it was synthetic, but I put all these curls in it. But I used this. And no, I don't use a wig cap because what is the point of a wig cap? The girl's edges be gone with the wig caps. It's not even funny. Like, what's the point? What was you protecting? What did you protect? It's probably to, keep the color, make the color underneath, match the skin. But babe, what did you protect? Them edges was like, sayonara. What are we doing here? You know what I'm saying? Like, what's the point of that? And I feel like that's just extra tension on the head because I got a big ass head anyway. So, you know what I'm saying? Like, what's the point of me putting something else to squeeze my head? And I don't like too much of nothing on my head. You know what I'm saying? I barely even wear a wig for a whole day. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I've been wanting to try this wig because I had made it like a couple days ago. And I was like, all right, I ain't got nowhere to go, but now I do. My sister left her band from when I did her makeup and hair that day for her birthday. So definitely I'm gonna use that. So I pretty much do the braid, right? And then I bobby pin up the back. So, it ain't doing nothing. Yeah, I like this. I like this a lot. Babes. This is synthetic, okay? All right, I'm about to do some makeup. Y'all wig. It's giving curly haired cutie, like, you know? It's giving curly haired cutie. On the back. I hope it looks cute in the back because I really don't know. Thank you guys for watching. This was just a brief little video. All I did for my skin was use some toffee and a little bit of bronzer and a little bit of powder to like set everything, you know. So it was just a really simple look, and I ain't really want to do my eyebrows because I ain't really been into that lately. And plus I wasn't able to find my eyebrow pencil, so that was a sign not to do it. But it's giving curly hair to cutie, and I really love it. Okay, so I'm finna get ready. Thank you guys for watching. Hope y'all like this video. The install only took, what, 12 minutes? You know, I don't be playing with it because I'm going to take it right off and it look just as good, okay? Look just as good. Get it, throw it on and go. Ooh, this is glamorous. Ah! Okay. Yeah, but thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and catch me in my next one.